Hello everyone, this is Raven. I'm going to show you some new nature spirit photos that I've taken. This is from March, early March this year. Here you can see some faces here, and here's another eye, nose. Here's a tiny little face, cute face. Well, there's a lot of faces in this one, but not all nature spirits are awake yet, so still waiting for them to awake. Here's another one, a very large nature spirit, tree spirit. See here, his perfect face here. Actually, there are two faces in this one. Eye, nose, and this is a face. Here's another face with a very pointy nose, and the eye, the mouth. See? Very clear. Large beings. And here's some others on the nature spirits. Here, one face, eye, nose, mouth. Here's a larger face, the eyes, the nose, the mouth. And here's some skinny creature, and here's another creature sitting against this. See here, the body and the legs, face. Here's another face, eye, nose, and a mouth. Here's another face. And over here, I think these are trolls because of their noses here. See? And also over here, between the trees, also a lot of faces. See? Face. Faces everywhere in this one. There's the large face. Little creature, this one. There, large face. So, and here it's a very large eye here, as you can see, staring. See, this is the photo, this is the eye. Oops, Mondis, my cat. And over here, more faces here, between the trees. And here's another little being. See this? The tiny face? I don't know. See it. And the last one. Here, this one looks like a witch. See, this is the face, eye, nose and mouth, and like a witch hat. Cute! And here's another kind of freaky creature, and this eye is actually glowing. This is dark. And nose, and this I think is the head. See? Weird looking creature. So that's it for now. Take care, love and light. Bye bye.